our same niggas. And I don't be with no new crew. We don't need no new friends. So don't come around if we don't know you. Don't ask me why I moved different.
Hello and welcome to the practice problems video for antiderivatives and the indefinite integral. Okay, for this problem we're going to find the general antiderivative of the function f of x is equal to 2 cosine x minus 9 sine x and check your answer. Okay, so what we want is the general antiderivative. So antiderivative being our capital F of x such that capital F of x, the derivative of that, is equal to our original function. Okay, so what we want to do is integrate in order to find that general antiderivative. So we're going to integrate our f of x dx, okay, and then that will give us a capital F of x plus c. Alright, so by general that means that we don't have limits on our integration, therefore we have this constant that we don't really know anything about. Okay, so anyways, when we do this, we're going to integrate the function we're given, so 2 cosine x minus 9 sine x, okay, and then we have our dx. So what we can do is actually split this up along the subtraction sign there. So we have the integral of 2 cosine x dx, and then minus integral of 9 sine x dx. And the next thing we can do is pull out those constants in front of the integral signs, right? So something like that. So we're going to get a 2 times the integral of cosine x dx, and then minus 9 times the integral of sine x dx. Okay? So this is going to give us, we're going to have something, so from this integral here we have a 2 times positive sine x, and then technically from this integral we get a constant called, well, let's call that a for now, okay? And then we have minus 9 times, and the integral of sine x is a negative cosine x, okay? And then we have a plus b, another constant from that integral there, okay? So both of these are constants, so let's simplify in the next slide, we'll simplify in the next slide. Alright, so we have 2 sine x plus a, and then minus a 9 times negative cosine x plus a b, another constant. So in other words, we have 2 sine x, and then this a and b, we can kind of combine those since they're both constants and we still don't know what they are. We're going to combine them to make a constant called c, okay? And then these two negatives here cancel to make a positive, so we have plus 9 cosine x and then plus ac. Alright, so that's going to be our general antiderivative, our capital F of x. Alright, and to check that, so here's our answer. I'm going to box that there. Alright, and to check it, all we have to do is derive this once with respect to x. Okay, and then see if we get back to our original function that we were given. So if we do that, we have something like this, right? And then when we differentiate, we get a 2 times cosine x, and then a minus 9 times sine x, and the c goes away, that becomes a 0, right? And this is actually, it's in fact equal to our original function, so we are good. We just checked our answer.
Still sending that commissary till almost didn't come home. I can never be rich alone. No, not look out for my squad. If you ain't never putting shit on.